Hello friend, my name is S.N. Patil, Nana Sahib Vain Chavan, Arts, Commerce, Science College, Chalisa. In this video lecture, we will discuss how to find the Z transform of one, Z transform of unit step function, and Z transform of unit impulse function. Okay, so before proceed the example, first we define the Z transform. The Z transform is defined on the sequence. Okay, sequence here we take the sequence as a f of k. Okay, that is the Z transform of the sequence f of k is equal to summation f of k z raised to minus k. Okay, here the z is complex number x plus I y. Okay, so this is the definition of Z transform. Here I'm not mentioning domain here. The domain, the K is a set of integer. Okay, the domain is provided in example. Sometimes bilateral Z transform, sometimes casual sequence is given, that is one-sided Z transform. Okay, if the K is running from 0, 1, 2, that is the one-sided Z transform, and if K is running from minus infinity, minus 2 up to minus 1, 0, 1 to up to plus infinity, that is a bilateral, yeah, both-sided Z transform. So here I'm not mentioning the domain. Okay, so let us find the Z transform of the sequence f of k is equal to what? Z transform of, first example, Z transform of sequence f of k is equal to 1, and here the domain is greater than is equal to 0. K is greater than is equal to 0. Okay, so by definition of Z transform, Z transform of the sequence f of k is equal to summation f of k z raised to minus k. Okay, now here f of k is given, and the domain of the sequence which is given, that is k, is running from 0 to infinity. Okay, now put the value of f of k here, that is summation k is running from 0 to infinity. The value of f of k is 1, z raised to minus k. Okay, that is simply z raised to minus k, and k is running from 0 to infinity. Now put the value of k here, that is run the k, put k is equal to 0, z raised to 0, that is 1, plus put k is equal to 1, z raised to minus 1, plus put next value z raised to minus 2, and so on up to infinite. Now here we have the formula 1 plus x square plus x raised to 3 plus dot 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 so on is equal to summation x raised to k is running from 0 to infinity. It can be written as 1 upon 1 minus x. Okay, and this series is convergent if mod x is less than 1. Okay, that is the ROC, region of absolute convergence. So here x is a z raised to minus 1. It can be written as 1 upon 1 minus the x is z raised to minus 1. Z raised to minus 1. And the ROC is Z raised to minus 1 is less than 1. Now it can be written as 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon Z. Now Z is multiplied here and Z become numerator. That is, it can be written as Z upon Z minus 1. And the ROC is 1 upon Z is less than 1. Now we want the ROC only for the Z. Then take the reciprocal. Then it can be written as modulus of Z. Then inequality sign is changed, is greater than 1. Okay. So see, so this is circle. And greater than 1 means what? These are the point, outside point where the series is convergent. Okay. So the Z transform of the sequence f of k is equal to 1 is Z upon Z minus 1. Okay. Now next is step function, unit step function. So what is unit step function? Second example, we find the Z transform of unit step function. Unit step function. Okay. Is equal to UK is equal to 1 when if k is greater than 0 and 0 if k is less than 0. Okay. Now by definition of Z transform, the Z transform of f of k is equal to summation f of k Z raised to minus k. Now here the k is mentioned. K is what? See, here k is greater than is equal to 0, means k start from 0 and greater than 0, that is 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. The second is k is strictly less than 0, means strictly less than 0 means less number, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus infinity. So this is the domain of the problem. Okay, so we write the problem in this form. The domain is k is minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, now put the value of f of k, that is Z transform of f of k is u of k, okay, is equal to, now we divide the domain. First we write uk, then we divide u of k Z raised to minus k, and k is running from minus infinity to plus infinity. Now divide this domain according to example. Here the first part is minus infinity to minus 1. Now it can be written as k is running from minus infinity to minus 1 u of k Z raised to minus k plus the second part. This is the second part and this is the first part. Summation k is running from 0 to infinity u of k Z raised to minus k. Okay, the value of u of k sequence in between minus infinity to minus 1, which is given, that is 0. The first value is 0. 0 into Z raised to minus k is 0 plus summation. The value of u of k is 1. So simply 1 into Z raised to minus k, and k is running from 0 to infinity. We just discussed, this is what Z transform of 1. Okay. Now put k is equal to 0, 1, 2 means run the summation, that is 1 Z raised to minus 1, Z raised to minus 2 and so on. and it can be written as 1 upon 1 minus z raised to minus 1. We already discussed the formula, and the ROC z raised to minus 1 is less than 1. Now it can be written as 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon z. Okay, and the ROC is 1 upon z is less than 1, is equal to z is multiplied to the 1 and z become numerator, that is z upon z minus 1. And here we want the ROC for the z, not reciprocal. So take the reciprocal of this term, then 1 upon z, its reciprocal is simply z. Inequality change here, 1 upon 1 is 1. Okay, so this is z transform of unit step function. You can trace the diagram also. Now this is the one, k is greater than is equal to 0, and this is what this value is, k is less than 0. This is the graph of the u of k, that is the as like step. That's why we call unit step function. Okay, now next example is z transform of unit impulse function. Unit function is equal to delta of k is equal to 1 if k is equal to 0 and 0 if k is not is equal to 0. Okay. By definition of Z transform, the Z transform of the sequence is summation f of k z raised to minus k. Okay. Now the domain is here. K is equal to 0 and k is not equal to 0. It means what? For all value except not 0. Okay. It means the domain is k is running from minus infinity to plus infinity. Now put the value. F of k is delta of k is equal to summation is running from minus infinity to plus infinity delta of k z raised to minus k. Okay. Now here we put the value of k here, and when k is 0, that time the value of the delta k is 1, otherwise 0. Now expand this. Here we put k is equal to minus infinity dot k is equal to minus 2, then minus 1, 0, 1, 2. We take the particular number. Okay. Now plus starting from the minus infinity. Okay, I'm not writing here. Delta of minus 2 z raised to minus 2 plus delta of minus 1 z raised to minus 1 plus delta of 0 z raised to 0 plus delta of 1 plus 1 z raised to minus 1, and so on. Okay, so by definition of unit impulse function, the value of the delta k is 1 when k is 0, otherwise 0, means this value is 0, second value is 0. Okay, this is also 0. All the values are 0 except delta of 0. Okay, that is 0, dot 0 plus 0 plus 1 z raised to 0. Z raised to 0 means 1 plus 0 dot. That is z raised to 0 is 1 into 1 1. That is Z transform of unit impulse function is simply Okay. Thank you.